Imagine cruising above the ground, not on a drone, not in a car, but on a bike that flies. Yes, the future is here. The world's first air bike has officially taken off, turning what once looked like sci-fi into real life. From the minds of Japanese engineers to the tracks of Dubai and Las Vegas, this invention is rewriting what it means to ride. So buckle up, because today we're exploring the world's first flying motorcycle, how it works, what it costs, and whether it's really the future of transportation. The birth of the air bike. The project comes from Airwinds Technologies, creators of the X-Turismo hover bike. First unveiled in Japan and later showcased in the US, the X-Turismo is the world's first commercially available air bike, capable of flying several meters above the ground. Design and engineering marvel. At first glance, it looks like a futuristic motorcycle, sleek carbon fiber frame, twin rotors on each side, and a powerful central engine. But under the hood, it's more like a hybrid between a drone and a jet ski. It uses fan propulsion powered by a combustion engine plus battery-driven rotors for balance and lift. How it flies. Instead of wheels, it uses 6 propellers, 2 main lift fans and 4 stabilizers. It can hover for up to 40 minutes, reaching speeds of up to 100 km per hour, 62 miles per hour, and altitudes of about 3 meters, 10 feet. Perfect for emergency rescue, traffic-free commuting, or just feeling like Iron Man on 2 fans. The power source. The heart of the bike is a gasoline-powered Kawasaki engine working with electric motors for fine control. This hybrid setup gives it both the power of a jet engine and the stability of a drone. Price tag shock. Now here's the twist, the X-Turismo costs a mind-blowing $550,000. That's more than a Lamborghini. But early buyers aren't worried about price, they're buying the future. The first flights. The bike made its debut flight in Tokyo before appearing at the Detroit Auto Show, stunning the audience. Witnesses saw it lift off smoothly and hover silently over the tarmac, a moment that looked straight out of Star Wars. Who is it for? Right now, it's being marketed for luxury buyers, police patrols, and emergency response units. Imagine search and rescue teams flying over floods or deserts, where regular vehicles can't go. Safety and challenges. Flying bikes face big challenges: battery limits, air traffic regulations, and safety standards. That's why for now, most test rides are done in closed environments. But the company says the next generation will be fully electric and far more stable. The future of air mobility. Airwinds isn't alone. Startups in the US and Europe are developing personal flying vehicles for urban mobility. Experts predict that by 2030, small flying craft could become part of everyday city transport, the first step toward real air roads in the sky. The dream becomes reality. From sci-fi to skyride, the air bike shows how fast technology is catching up to imagination. Today it's a $550,000 luxury toy. Tomorrow, it could be how we all travel. The age of flying motorcycles has officially begun. Would you dare to ride one, or would you wait until it's proven safe? Tell us in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech breakthroughs from the future, right here on Technologia 2050.